Hi everyone. I wanted to follow up from my first video. A lot of great comments. It got a lot more hits on it than I ever imagined it would. So I just want to thank you all for the kind comments and glad to hear that I helped everyone. I just wanted to follow up because I've also gotten a lot of questions. If you've done this fix that I showed y'all about from my first video, I just wanted to follow up with the part 2 that I did have the problem come back where the car was doing the same symptoms again, and I thought, well, what I did to begin with didn't work. But there's something else y'all need to check out, and that's under your fuse block here. Got this positive battery terminal that comes up from the battery. You actually want to open this, check this guy for corrosion. I had corrosion on mine, and I had to clean it up. And ever since I've done that fix and cleaned up the corrosion that was hidden under here, and the corrosion on the battery, which is in the fender, it has I've had zero problems since. So hope this helps again. Bye.